Hey, what's going on? Ryan DePaul here, and today I'm excited to show you guys the AI tool made for network marketers. Welcome to myAI, the game changer in the world of network marketing. Imagine a tool that not only just streamlines your business processes, but also boosts your network marketing potential. Now, whether you're a seasoned marketer or you're new to the game, myAI is designed to catapult your success. In today's feature, we're going to dive into a how-to guide on one of our most impactful features, tailored for network marketing. Get ready to discover how myAI can revolutionize your approach and take your business to new heights.
In this video, what we're going to do is share with you how to get started with onboarding. So once you create your account, you're going to click on Get Started, and then you're going to answer a few simple questions. The first question that we're going to ask you is just tell us your name. And you're going to go ahead and add your name into your onboarding. And then we're going to ask, could you please share a brief description of your hobbies and interests so that we can highlight those on social media. You could put whatever you like here. I like snowboarding, the flyers, being a mom, and marketing. And now we continue to train our AI. It asks the next question. May I know your current occupation or job title and what drew you to this area of work? So you could put whatever you'd like, but I added, I'm a network marketer. And then I just said, I love the time freedom. And of course, getting to meet new people. So you can add, again, whatever it is that you want to add here for your current occupation. Just remember, you can add, edit, or change things anytime that you'd like, even after you've completed the onboarding. So it's not permanent. You can make any changes that you want afterward as well. So this is share your goals and dreams with me. I just said I wanted to travel around the world with my children and create financial freedom. And then the final question that we ask is to share about your favorite books, movies, music, or sports. And I added my favorite books, movies, music, and sports. I put my favorite book is To Kill a Mockingbird. And then I added that my favorite movie is Back to the Future. And then I talk a bit about the sports teams that I like. I put Philadelphia Flyers ice hockey here. And then I also added that I like the Philadelphia Eagles for football. So remember, you can add, edit, or change things anytime that you'd like, but that's it. You've answered those 5 questions. And then we're going to take you to the next section where we have interests and popular figures. So here, right, I like the interests. I like the popular figures that are here. But I'm going to add an additional popular figure and put Eric Worre and then continue. And here I share a bit about my writing style. I like lots of emojis and tons of dramatic capitalization. I like to keep things super short. And yep, this is about right. So I click on approve. And then you can tell your AI about your products or services. Keep it really, really short and really simple. Just give a business name and then maybe 1 sentence about your product. Doesn't have to be perfect. Remember, add, edit, or change things anytime that you'd like. And the AI is going to do a great job kind of rewriting that for you. So now you get to meet your AI, and it starts with giving you a motto or slogan. So you can see mine here. You'll have your own. And then it will also give you an inspiring story about what it knows about you and your life. So it gives me my inspiring story, who I am, what I love most about my work. And then it's going to give you a personality analysis. So mine says, of course, that I'm prefer to be in charge and take the lead, right? But you will get your own personality analysis. And then that's it. We're setting up your account. You're going to click Get Started. And then your new social post is ready and you can click to check it out. It's that simple. Thanks so much for watching.
And that's how you effortlessly use this fantastic feature of myAI to elevate your everyday experience. But remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more that myAI can do and offers to make your life more smarter, easier, and more connected as well. Now, if you want to get your hands on myAI, what you can do is go ahead and click the link in the description below or in the comments that's pinned. Or if you want a special discount that I have the ability to give, go ahead and contact me through my socials. My number's in the description as well. You can text me or call me, or if you even just have some questions that you want to know more about this and see if this actually is real, feel free to do so. And I will be happy to answer that for you. So with that said, guys, hopefully you got some good value from this one and you actually like what you saw. Don't wait and get your hands on this amazing AI tool made for network marketers. So until the next one, take care, be safe, and be blessed.